I'm Bioeconomy communicator Kathryn Sheridan, and I'm joined today by Zhiyi Bao, Business Manager of ACM and ECO, and Lori Carson, HSE Director from ZEON Chemicals. We'll talk about the partnership between AGC Vinythai and ZEON and how EPINITY is helping ZEON reduce the carbon footprint of their products. Zhiyi and Lori, welcome.
Thank you.
Some companies think it's too difficult, it's too challenging to change their products and processes. Why did ZEON decide to work with EPINITY?
ZEON makes the future today through the power of chemistry and our novel technology. ZEON's major business include elastomers, specialty materials, and other specialty areas.
Okay, and how are you using EPINITY, AGC Vinythai's bio-based Epichlorohydrin?
We are using EPINITY bio-based Epichlorohydrin to make one of our specialty synthetic rubber materials, Epichlorohydrin. The brand name is Hydrin ECO.
And what products does Hydrin ECO go into?
Hydrin ECO provides an excellent balance of the heat and chemical resistance, as well as inherent anti-static properties, which enables it can be widely used for many applications, including automotive, such as hose, fuel hose, and air duct, and also for industry applications like such as lasers, printer rolls.
Okay, thank you. What we see is that some companies sometimes think that it's too difficult or too challenging to change their products and processes. So I'm curious, why did ZEON decide to work with EPINITY?
I think the social responsibility and the environmental sustainability are always valued at ZEON. Additionally, we recognize increasing automotive customer interest in sustainable solutions. We showed interest and started to test EPINITY from 8 years ago. Performance-wise, we found a petroleum-based and bio-based Epichlorohydrin to be interchangeable.
Can I also add that ZEON has always been forward-thinking. We lead by example. We are proud to provide products made with sustainably sourced materials, but we've been implementing environmental initiatives even before sustainability became a buzzword. For example, we've been providing returnable and reusable metal product packaging for decades. We've been purchasing renewable steam since 2012. And in 2017, we began a campaign of reforesting on our campuses with over 300 trees planted to date.
That's wonderful, thank you. What do you see as the benefit of using EPINITY?
Well, for ZEON, we sell products made with EPINITY to customers who request a sustainable alternative to petroleum-based products. It makes ZEON cleaner and greener, but we are also supporting a new way of doing business, showing our customers, our peers, and our employees that a business model based on environmental responsibility can be profitable and successful. We're influencing individuals to make small changes to reduce climate impacts. A recent example is when one of our employees decided to buy a Tesla after a carbon reduction training and brainstorming event. Before this, he had driven a full-size truck 2 hours daily on his commute to work. Another benefit is increasing the number and diversification of our supply base.
And why is that important to you as a company?
Well, ZEON is committed to reducing carbon dioxide emissions 42% by 2023. We chose this goal because it's the right thing to do, but it also makes good business sense. One major contributor to our carbon footprint is purchased electricity and manufacturing. Taking action to reduce electricity usage decreases our carbon dioxide emissions and saves us money in operating costs. So we also buy renewable electricity like hydro, solar, and wind. We're increasing demand and therefore encouraging utilities to invest more of their resources in renewable energy technology. Making sustainable choices is good for our business and ultimately for our children's future.
Thank you. Zhiyi Bao and Lori Carson, thanks so much for joining me today and for sharing your experience of working with EPINITY. Thank you.
Thank you.